Welcome to all of you on my channel. So today I will say you something. Please listen carefully. So I am English trainer trained from British Lingua, New Delhi, and also English graduate from University of Madras. So now listen. I am taking class in coaching center and different schools. So feel I am saying that a child, a learner, a student feels difficulty in learning and speaking English. What is the reason? So please listen carefully. The reason is that all want to learn and speak English by mixing his or her mother tongue. Come means आना, go means जाना, read means पढ़ना, write means लिखना. But this gives more and more problem not solved. So now you try to understand, try to observe. When a child comes to this world, suppose mother tongue is Hindi. His parent, especially his mother, say A, A, I, O, U. So these are Hindi Varnmala. Then afterward, when the child becomes 2 years old, he join Hindi Varnmala and make Shabd. So she say उधर जा, इधर आ, यह मत कर, वह मत कर. So these are Hindi शब्द, Hindi वाक्य. So by using Hindi Varnmala, so only Hindi to Hindi, using Varnmala शब्द and making वाक्य. But what happens when the child goes to school? So he gets training by mixing mother tongue. मैं विद्यालय को जाता हूँ. I go to school. मैं खेलने जाता हूँ. I go to play. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस बाद मैं विद्यालय जाता हूँ. सेकंड सेंटेंस बाद मैं खेलने जाता हूँ. So see what the problem comes. Again the child translate it. I go to school. मैं विद्यालय को जाता हूँ. I go to play. मैं खेलने को जाता हूँ. So these are the grammatical error. So we all know that Hindi has Hindi grammar, English has English grammar, and grammar is essential to speak and learn any language very well. So this problem will create and this problem will come. My aim is to train the person, a child, a student, a learner, only native English. Come is come, go is go, write is write, read is read. Then try to make sentence. I go to school, I go to play, you come here. So again the person, the people, the learner not understanding, so use indicative language. I go to play, I go to play. I go to write, I go to write. I go to sing, I go to sing. So indicative language is there. So all can understand. Like that, give me water, give me water. So in this way all can understand. Nobody can say that I am unable to understand. So this will help to learn to speak English very well. And again I am songwriter, and so I am also training the child, the learner, the student by singing song. Suppose one song is there, our world is one. Please listen. Our world is one, we all are one. Our world is one, we all are one. Around the world, all know English. So learn English, speak English. All of you, A, B, C. Where is the English? discipline is there. Where is English? Progress is there. So learn English, learn English. Like that, next song is there also. The song is school time. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, school day, school day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, school day, school day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, school day, school day. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, school day, school day. One more song, Sunday. Sunday, Sunday, holiday, no school, no school. Sunday, Sunday, holiday, no school, no school. Playing day, meeting day, meeting day. So, by song. So, in this way, I am training the child, training the learner, training the student to speak in English and be a native speaker. So, in this way, the problem will come, but it will solve, because only one language is there, English language. English language alphabet is there, English language word is there, and English language and English language, once again, English language alphabet is there, word is there, sentence is there. So no need to mix mother tongue. So these are the things which I want to say, which I want to explain to all of you. Try to understand and take full confidence on yourself. Yes, I can speak English and no problem will come. So more and more things will come in my next video. God bless to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel in the name of God, and respect to trainer or teacher.